Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best backpack sprayers, ranked from weakest to best. We'll talk features, pros, cons, and who each one is best suited for, all based on solid research and real-world performance. So stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your shed or workshop. Let's get started. Alright, starting off at number 5, we have the Chapin, a simple, no-frills manual backpack sprayer. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this could be worth considering. The Chapin features a 4-gallon translucent tank, so you can easily see how much liquid you've got left. The wide 4-inch mouth opening makes filling and cleaning a breeze, and the 3-stage filtration system helps prevent clogs, a big plus if you're spraying thicker solutions. Padded shoulder straps, definitely a nice touch for added comfort during longer tasks. But here's the thing, it's a manual sprayer, meaning you'll need to pump it yourself to build pressure. For smaller jobs that's fine, but for larger areas or extended use, the constant pumping can get pretty tiring. And when the tank's full, it can feel a bit heavy on your back. So who's this for? I'd say it's ideal for occasional or light duty use. Maybe you've got a smaller yard or just need something affordable for quick touch-ups. But if you're looking for convenience and efficiency, stay tuned. The next sprayers offer a lot more. In 4th place, we've got the Black & Decker. This battery-powered option takes the hassle out of manual pumping, so you can focus on getting the job done quickly and easily. With a 4-gallon capacity and a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, this sprayer can deliver up to 4 hours of continuous use or spray up to 50 gallons on a single charge. It's lightweight, the padded shoulder harness adds comfort, and the in-tank filter helps keep clogs to a minimum. Plus, the integrated battery storage keeps the battery safe from dirt and moisture while you work. That said, there are some drawbacks. Unlike others in its class, this model only comes with a single foaming nozzle, so it's not as versatile for different spraying tasks. And like most battery power tools, the battery and charger are often sold separately, which can drive up the total cost. This one's great for homeowners who want something simple, reliable, and easy to use for light to medium tasks. But if you're after more versatility or power, let's move on to our next pick. At number 5, we have the Greenworks, a versatile sprayer with plenty of power and nozzle options. If you're already a fan of Greenworks tools, this one will fit right into your setup. This model packs a 40-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 70 psi of pressure and a 0.5 GPM flow rate, which is more than enough for most yard and garden applications. It also includes 5 different nozzles, so whether you're looking for a wide fan spray, a targeted jet, or something in between, you're covered. And the padded shoulder and hip straps? They're built for comfort even during longer jobs. On the downside, the battery and charger are sold separately, a common theme with battery-powered tools. And while it's slightly heavier than some other models, it's still manageable thanks to the ergonomic design. If you're already invested in the Greenworks ecosystem or need a sprayer with plenty of nozzle options, this one's a solid pick. But for top-notch performance, the next 2 options might win you over. Coming in at number 2 is the CRAFTSMAN, a reliable and well-rounded sprayer that combines comfort and performance. This model features a 4-gallon tank and a powerful 20-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers consistent performance, with a maximum pressure of 70 psi. It includes 4 different nozzles, giving you flexibility for a variety of applications, whether it's a wide fan spray for covering large areas or a narrow stream for precise targeting. The padded shoulder straps and waist belt make this one of the most comfortable options, even if you're working for hours. The drawbacks, like many battery-powered sprayers, the battery and charger are often sold separately, and while it's not the lightest on the list, the ergonomic design and comfort features help balance things out. This is a fantastic option for homeowners who want something durable, versatile, and easy to use for medium to large yards. It's a great balance of power, comfort, and value. But if you're looking for the absolute best of the best, let's move on to number 1. Taking the top spot as the best backpack sprayer on our list is the Dewalt. This one checks all the boxes for power, comfort, and versatility, making it the ultimate choice for serious users. This sprayer is packed with features. It offers a wide pressure range of 2 to 90 psi, so you can adjust it for delicate plants or high power tasks like spraying tall trees. It comes with 6 different nozzles, including a jet stream and adjustable brass nozzle, giving you complete control over how you spray. The deluxe padded shoulder and hip harness are top notch, keeping you comfortable even during long jobs. And thanks to its VeriFlow technology, you can fine-tune the flow rate for maximum efficiency. Of course, it's not perfect. At 15.5 pounds before adding the battery, it's on the heavier side. The battery and charger are also sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. And some users have reported minor durability issues over time, though these seem to be rare. So who's this for? If you're a professional landscaper or someone with a large property and demanding tasks, the Dewalt is hands down the best option. It's powerful, versatile, and built to handle just about anything. And there you have it. The top 5 best backpack sprayers ranked and reviewed. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to pick one up, check out the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.